In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to convert an image into a PDF file. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. If you have a photo or image that needs to be submitted as a PDF, which is very common for applications, forms, or uploads, this method makes it simple. You can do this with a single image or even multiple images. To make things easier, I recommend keeping all your images in one folder so they're easy to access. To begin, open any web browser you like and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not signed in yet, click the Sign In button at the top right and log in or create a free account. Once signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right and select Google Docs. When Google Docs opens, click Blank Document to create a new file. You don't need to title it unless you want to. Now go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Locate the image or images you want to convert. You can select one image or hold Control or Command on Mac to select multiple images. Click Open and your image will appear in the document. If the image is too large or not positioned correctly, right-click on it and select Image Options. On the right-hand side, open Size and Rotation if needed, then go to Text Wrapping and choose Wrap Text. This allows you to resize the image by dragging the corner handles and reposition it anywhere on the page until you're happy with the layout. Once your image is set, converting it to a PDF is very simple. Go to the top left, click File, hover over Download and select PDF Document. Google Docs will instantly download the file as a PDF to your computer. You can then open it from your Downloads folder and use it anywhere a PDF file is required. And that's it. You've successfully converted an image to a PDF file using Google Docs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.